Here's a challenging NADAC jumpers course. We're going to start in the lower right corner, and we go through 1 and 2 pretty much straight. And then we make a left turn here and continue left, and then start curving to the right. We're making a little circle here, right turning circle. Come back right down through what was 3. Now we have to go back up, and I'm going to change the color here to something. Yeah, what color am I going to use? Red, as we go straight up. And we make another circle, this time to the left. Coming back around and go through that same jump right there that we hit before. That was number 4 at one time. Now we come back through it here. I'm using yellow now. Making a right turning circle. This time we don't go up, but we continue straight and then turn down to the tunnel. There's the tunnel. Now, when we come out of the tunnel, when the final stretch we continue, make a left turning circle, hit that number 3, which is now a different number, of course, and then we slant downward to the final jump. During this final stretch, the dog is often running faster than we are, so the dog has got to know to just keep going and run all the way through that final jump. Now let's take a look at the actual run by Phil Sayer and Magic Momo Super Dog.
Wait, what did you get? I mean 16? I'm coming.
Okay, it's time. Yahoo!
No,